Hello, so today we're going to talk about eddy current sensors. Basically, this sensor is a non-contact sensor which is able to measure both the position and the variation of position of a target at a really high resolution, which is really important. How this sensor works is that the sensor at the end of the probe, which is right here, the driver creates an alternating current to the sensing coil. This generates this magnetic field here, and then this magnetic field generates the so-called by sending signals, it generates the eddy current, which is right here. This generates an opposite magnetic field which resists the previous magnetic field generated by the coil. By this is able to detect the distance and the variation of distance depending on how big the magnetic field is. Here's a more clear example of the eddy current and the magnetic field taking place. So basically, this is the probe perspective. Now, if you look at the whole sensor, it would look something like this, in which you have the induced eddy currents at the target. Then this will go up into a signal amplification device and then into a signal processing device. That way, the calculations can be measured. The main advantage of this sensor is that it works at any temperature, so industries and automotive have a great advantage of this device. The bad thing is that it's under little distances, under small variation of distances. It cannot go that long because the magnetic field is not that big from this sensor. So the main my personal main application for this is the engine optimization. Basically, in engines, you have the crankshaft concentrivity here, which is these three little sticks are the sensor which detects how centered it is. Also, the sensor detects how lubricated is the gap here. Also, the thickness of the oil film. Right here, you can see how the sensor works, and also the cylinders head breathing. That's when this piece of the engine goes up and down. This breathes, and the sensor detects how often is it breathing. Well, basically, this is a very important sensor in the nowadays industries. And well, thank you very much. That's all I have to say.